guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is ysay, and if you're new, I would love for you to click the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section, and please share this video. So yes, for today's vlog, without further ado, I'm gonna do an unboxing haul for you guys. It's an eyeshadow palette that I have purchased during the Black Friday sale. Yes, Black Friday sale. Yeah. And actually, I have been eyeing this large palettes from MORPHE products ever since. And then when I saw it from the Black Friday, it's like more than 70% off from the original price. I did not hesitate to grab it and add to my cart. And yes, it arrived on my doorstep. So yes, this is a huge box, and with the shipping, I think it came, a week after I ordered it. So it's fast, not bad, and I'm so loving it. I'm so excited to show you guys. So actually, I took a peek at this box. So yes, I'm gonna unbox it for you. It comes with this one, bubble wrap. And these are large palette. These are a collaboration palette from MORPHE. And yes, first off, I'm gonna show you is this one. This is from Avani Gregg Artistry palette. This is the packaging, and this is at the back. This is her collaboration palette. So it says here, for the Babs. Hi Babs, I tried to match your all's immaculate energy with this makeup. My love for makeup is off the charts. Same goes for my love for you all Babs. P.S. Whoever is reading this, I cannot wait to see what looks you create. So this is what she wrote on the back with her sign. So let's open this guys for you. So the reason that I wanted this one is because of the color story as well. And this is the packaging. It comes with a bubble wrap. They pack it very well to keep the shadows from damaging. So let's just throw this out. So this is the palette. Yes. And we'll open it together. Wow. It comes with this one, plastic. And it comes with a very large mirror. And this is the palette, color story. Okay, so this is very nice guys, and as you can see, this two last rows here, they said you have to wet your brush before you line. So they are like a little bit smaller, the smaller size than this one, but this 10 shadows are actually liners, and you can also use this as a eyeshadow. But then if you wet your brush, you can use and create great eyeliner looks. So this is the reason why I bought this palette. So the original price, I'll just link it down here, the original price and how much I got it from the Black Friday sale. So this is the shadows, and this is the color story. I really dig onto this one shades, and this one is very good. The orange one is calling out of me, and yes, a very good palette. I can't wait to use this one and play this one and create looks using this palette. So yes, if you like this palette, let me know. If you have also this kind of palette, let me know and share to me your looks that you have created. And are you excited for the next one? Because I am. The next one is a very huge one. It is from MORPHE, the Nikita Dragoon palette. So there's a MORPHE sign here and the dragon sign, and a very colorful Nikita name. So let's open this one guys. Oh, and at the back there she is, and this is just a writing and a sign from her. So this is also a collaboration. So this is the bag, I mean the package. I'll just put it down. And also it comes with a bubble wrap to keep the shadows. And this is the palette. Look at that guys. Very nice colors on the packaging. And yes, at the back this is the back. And we'll open it up. And, oh, comes with the plastic. But the one thing that I noticed, it doesn't have a mirror. It's just this one. And yes, it is the artistry palette. I think, I don't know how many shadows they have here. Yeah, but it is a large palette. So this is the palette, you guys. Look at this colors. I really dig this colors is digging onto me. See, it has a swirl kind of design, and this one they say it's a dual chrome, and this is a pressed shimmer, and these are the rest are mattes. And yes, you can create neutral looks with this one. You can, with the black shadow, you can create smoky eyes. And yes, look at the colors, guys. I'm blurring you, but it is definitely a very nice color story. And look at the red color there. Oh, I can't wait to play with this palette. So yes, because I bought 4 because the shipping will be free if like you ordered 60 above, but then I think the total cost of this is just 60 also with the 4 palettes, because it is like 70% off, because it is from the Black Friday sale. So yes, I can't wait to play with this one. The next one is another large palette. It is the 35D Desert Bouquet palette from MORPHE. This is the packaging. It's a nice succulent picture, and it is a 35 shadow palette. So let's open it up. Same as usual. It comes with a bubble wrap, and this is the palette, you guys. Very nice palette, same at the back. And we'll open up, and it comes with this one also. And the same with the other palette, it doesn't have a mirror, but wow, amazing color story. Look at that, you guys. Take a nice look. So if you got this kind of palette, please let me know. And yeah, oh my gosh, this color story here is calling out on me, and I really want to play with this one. Just watch out on my channel. I'll create looks using this palette, and I'll make a review and swatch using this palette, and for sure I'll make a playlist using different shades or different looks using this palette. And this one is calling me. I'll make a first impression review with this one. And last but not the least, very nice. Hallelujah. So this was expensive. So good thing there was a Black Friday sale, and I got this for 70% off. I'll just link it here on my channel, the original price and the price that I bought from the sale. And this is the palette, you guys. It's a James Charles palette, artistry palette. So this is the packaging, and he has a letter here and the sign. He signed it, and we'll open it up. Ta-da! This is the large one. They sell this one with a mini one, but I got the large palette. So it comes again with a bubble wrap. Ta-da! The James Charles palette, sorry. Look at that, you guys. And yes, I'm into large palettes nowadays. So it comes with this plastic, and I think the names of the shadows are here on the plastic. And same thing like the other one, doesn't have a mirror, which I hope they put a mirror, but whatever. Look at the story, guys. Look at the eyeshadow colors. This palette I've been eyeing for a long time, and finally I got it on sale, and finally it's in my hands. And look at this. I love the color shades. There's greens, there's blue, there's pinks, there's purples, there's neutrals, and there's a pop of red and yellow, and there's black. And for sure lots of shimmers and mattes, and for sure they perform very well, and I can't wait to make looks using this palette. And yeah, look at this. So yeah, whew, what a Black Friday sale. So yeah, if you want more sales, or if you want to get this palettes for a cheaper price, watch out on a Black Friday sale or on a Boxing Day sale probably. But mostly I think the Black Friday has a more discount than the boxing sales. So yes, these are the palettes that I purchased. James Charles, the 35D, the Nikita one, and the Avani Gregg. And they are large palettes, and I can't wait to create looks using this palette. And very good addition to my collection. So yes, if you like to see looks, let me know in the comments down below. And if you do have the same palettes like mine, please let me know. I want to hear from you guys, and I want to connect with you guys. So if you do, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So I think, guys, this is the whole for today. This is all for my video today. And yes, I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing hauls with this palette. They are so nice, and I love it. So yes, until then, and I will see you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed, and keep safe and take care. Thank you so much, guys. Take care and bye.